Hey, hi, this is Sabita Sunkara. So, the next question, find duplicate records and keep only one record. Um, so, this is one kind of interview question. So, how do you remove duplicate records from your table while keeping only one record? So, I am providing sample data here. Okay. Uh, so, I am explaining same images level. Okay. So, the first thing, what are duplicate records? First, let's understand duplicate records. In our customer table, if you find 1 and 3, these two rows have the same name and email. Similarly, same 2 and 5. Also duplicate records. So a duplicate record means the same business data exists multiple times. So the next one, in real projects, duplicate data creates many problems. For example, duplicate customers, duplicate bank accounts, duplicate employee records, duplicate warehouse data, like that. So for that, what it causes? Duplicates can cause what? Wrong reports, incorrect analytics, and extra storage uses, like that, right? So that's why removing duplicate is a very common ETL and data warehouse requirement. For that, next, what we have to understand, see how SQL identifies duplicates. Okay, the row number of assigns a sequence number within each group. So John related to row number 1 and again row number 2. For John records how many the we are filtering here row number 1 only. First row gets row number 1, second row gets row number 2. So LI is also same. First row gets row number 1 and second row gets row number 2. The original record, how we can find row number 1 equal to, row number equal to 1. That is a original record. Row number greater than 1 represents duplicate record, right? So the final query, if you observe here, CTE creates a temporary results set. So partition by name, email, groups, records having the same name and email. So order by represents what? Sorts rows and inside each group. Row number of is represents assigned numbers like 1, 2, 3, like that. Rows inside each duplicate group. After this, what happened? Original record get Rn equal to 1. The duplicate record get Rn greater than 1. So like the fifth image, if you observe, delete duplicates. So what we are doing? Delete from CTA. This removes all duplicate rows. Only the first occurrence remains. So now you can clearly see after deleting the query, after deleting the duplicate data, then we can see John, Bob, Alice are appearing only one time. Now the data is clean. So in interview tip, what if an interviewer asks, how do you remove duplicate records while keeping one record, right? So you have to say keywords. You should mention CTE, row number of, partition by, delete where Rn greater than 1. These keywords immediately show that you have real project experience. Hope this help you to understand how to remove duplicate records using row number and CTE. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more SQL interview questions and real-time SQL concepts. Thank you.